Welcome to Car Zone, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive news, and expert insights into the world of automobiles. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Vellfire, a premium MPV that combines luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Toyota has always been a pioneer in the luxury MPV segment, and the latest Vellfire continues this legacy with a refined design, advanced features, and superior performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Vellfire exudes a commanding road presence with its bold front grille, sleek LED headlamps, and aerodynamic body lines. The large chrome-finished grille enhances the premium appeal, while the sharp LED DRLs give it a futuristic look. The sculpted body panels add to the dynamic stance of the vehicle, making it look stylish from every angle. The alloy wheels, available in a striking multi-spoke design, further elevate its aesthetic appeal. The sliding doors provide easy access to the cabin, making it convenient for passengers, especially in urban environments where parking space can be tight. The rear profile is equally impressive with LED taillights, a sculpted bumper, and chrome accents that enhance the premium feel of the vehicle. Step inside, and you will be welcomed by a luxurious cabin that offers a first-class experience for both the driver and passengers. The plush leather seats with ventilation and heating functions ensure maximum comfort, while the spacious layout allows ample legroom and headroom for all occupants. The second-row captain seats are designed for ultimate relaxation, featuring power adjustment, reclining functions, and even an ottoman for added comfort. The ambient lighting creates a soothing atmosphere, making every journey feel special. The dashboard is designed with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and wood-grain accents that add to the premium feel of the interior. The 2025 Toyota Vellfire is packed with advanced technology features that cater to modern needs. The large touchscreen infotainment system comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making every ride enjoyable. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a rear entertainment system ensure that all passengers stay connected and entertained throughout the journey. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle information, including navigation, fuel efficiency, and safety alerts. The voice command system allows easy access to various functions, making it convenient for the driver to control different aspects of the car without taking their hands off the wheel. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota Vellfire is powered by a refined hybrid powertrain that ensures a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The combination of a petrol engine and an electric motor delivers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy. The advanced eCVT transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, enhancing the overall driving experience. The vehicle's suspension setup is tuned for maximum comfort, absorbing road imperfections effortlessly and providing a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. The precise steering and well-calibrated braking system further enhance the driving dynamics, making it a pleasure to drive on highways as well as in city traffic. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Toyota Vellfire, and Toyota has equipped it with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. The Toyota Safety Sense package includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. The blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert enhance awareness, reducing the risk of accidents. The vehicle also comes with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, and electronic stability control to ensure maximum protection for all occupants. The 360-degree camera system provides a clear view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier. The practicality of the Vellfire is another highlight, as it offers a generous amount of storage space for luggage and everyday essentials. The power-operated tailgate provides easy access to the cargo area, and the flexible seating arrangement allows for various configurations to accommodate passengers and cargo efficiently. Whether it is a long road trip with family or a daily commute in the city, the Vellfire is designed to cater to all needs with its versatile interior and thoughtful features. Toyota has also focused on sustainability with the 2025 Vellfire by incorporating eco-friendly materials in the cabin and optimizing fuel efficiency through its hybrid powertrain. The regenerative braking system helps conserve energy, reducing overall emissions and contributing to a cleaner environment. This makes the Vellfire an excellent choice for those who seek luxury without compromising on sustainability. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Vellfire stands out as a premium MPV that offers the perfect blend of luxury, technology, performance, and safety. It is designed for those who prioritize comfort and sophistication in their daily drives while also enjoying the latest innovations in automotive technology. With its elegant design, feature-rich cabin, and efficient hybrid powertrain, the Vellfire continues to set new standards in the luxury MPV segment. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the latest car reviews and automotive news.